Hello 3S family, this is Chris from 3S Performance. Today we're going to be going over our 3S adjustable cam gears. Let me explain what we're going to start with. So once you set these cam gears on your cams, you're going to want to make sure these are 0 degrees. Make sure you don't want to have them one tick going to retard or one tick going advance. We'll make sure these are at 0. So what we're going to start doing is when you get your intake gears on, you're going to want to set these to get your bang out of buck. You want to set these to 1 advance. So right now we got all these loose, so now we can actually rotate the cam. So what you want to do is make sure when you have these, when you're rotating, the belt does not move. So you're just going to be moving the inner face of it. You're not going to be moving the outer cam gear itself. So what we're going to want to do is just rotate it to 1 tick to the right, and as so. And we're going to want to tighten up. I'll just tighten this one bolt for now, just for example. You want to make sure you tighten these 10mm bolts around 7 foot-pounds. You can add thread lock if needed, but the good feature about these is they thread all the way through. It's not a nut and bolt feature like other cam gears are, so which we would want to add thread lock if there was a nut and bolt feature, but these just thread all the way through. So 7 foot-pounds. You would want to do your center at 65 foot-pounds. Please make sure that the hardware is clean when doing so, just because any grime or any interference in the center will not make the bolts sit flush, and basically we'll have some trouble there of getting this torque down properly to 65 foot-pounds. People would often get these cams installed with dirty hardware and pretty much get a wobbly cam gear after that. So please make sure you clean the surface on your bolt. So afterwards, you set your intakes to 1 advance. You would do that as both, and your exhaust cam gears, what you would want to do is, like I said again, you would want to make sure it is set at 0. You would want to loosen all 6 10mm bolt hardwares, and you would want to do is line it up, and we're going to go retard 3 ticks to the left. So as so there, 3 ticks to the left, and we're going to tighten that down. Like I said, this is just for example. Please make sure you set these at 7 foot-pounds, add thread lock if needed. So once you got your exhaust 3 ticks to the left, you're going to want to do the same thing for your other side. So +1 intakes, 1 tick to the right. Your 3 is going to be -3 retarded timing, 3 ticks to the left. So as again, make sure the outer face does not move, make sure the belt does not move either, as well as make sure just the inner face moves as needed. So as well, when adjusting the cam gears, that should be majority of it. So like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to comment or shoot us an email or phone call. We're always happy to help installing our kits. Thank you very much for attending this tutorial. You guys have a nice, wonderful day.